In MATLAB, I have MATLAB Basics for beginners. In this, I have been introduced what is MATLAB, basic concepts of MATLAB, and a small idea on GUI. This course is already available on Udemy. You can go to the link. The next course I'll be taking up with building your GUI and app using MATLAB. In this course, I'll be taking you how you can build a GUI, a complete detailed structured elements details, and how you can convert that GUI into exe file so that you can share your application to your friends or colleagues who are working on the same project. Last but not the least, MATLAB interfacing with microcontrollers and the data transfer on IoT. On embedded systems, I have been splitted in basic level and advanced level. So in basic level, starting with Arduino, then we can have with PIC microcontrollers, Texas board, Raspberry Pi. In this basics, I'll be just introducing you what is embedded systems, how exactly the embedded system works with these different microcontrollers as a separate course line. I'll be taking you up how to interface the controllers and micro peripherals and control the devices. In advanced level, with the same microcontrollers, we'll be working with IoT standards, IoT security levels, what are the IoT devices we have it, how we can interface. When I say IoT, we are not working on cloud, server level, we'll be working on a device level. To be standing out from other candidates, we have to have some extra additional skills or tools knowledge, something called Python, which is been there now, GitHub, KiCad, Jira. Python, you all know, it is also a programming language. GitHub is a professional cloud to store your projects and codes. KiCad is a tool for PCB designing. Jira is a project management tool. How will be the course structure? We'll be having both online and offline classes. Basically, online will be the interactive classes, offline will be the recorded videos where you can actually do the DIY, do it yourself kits. You'll be provided with do-it-yourself kits. Assignments will be provided where you have to submit it. You have to undergo the assessments. Assessment will be designed with both writing and project submission. You will be certified with the digital certification where you can submit with your resume. So more details, you can write me a mail. You can connect me with LinkedIn and Facebook. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is shared.